How to check your Instagram usage time. In this tutorial I will tell you exactly how to do that, and I will do this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always follow the same steps on any OS or any device that mobile Instagram application support. If you wanted to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure to hit that subscribe. Okay, here we go. First up, just fire off your Instagram application, and then from the dashboard, go to your profile button on the bottom right. Okay, and then from there, if you want to see your activity, just click the three lines icon on the top right, choose your activity. You will be presented with an activity screen of yours, okay? And to actually view time spent on Instagram, just choose time spent. Okay, and now as you can see that time spent statistics on Instagram, these are the average for the week. You can change your time limit. You can set reminder to take breaks per session. So for instance, you can choose like 10 minutes. You can also choose the daily limit, or not per session, but on the whole day. And that's pretty much how you check your time spent statistics on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate also to put it on the comment section down below. And that's pretty much the tutorial. Cheers, I hope it helped. Until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.